Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Saga. As in my previous video, I was showing you that Saga has broken out a very big symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and this was the move that I was showing you in my previous video. You can see that we found the resistance of this triangle here in the month of April. On 20th of April 2024, we got rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, then we had another bounce, and after this bounce, we had two more rejections here, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of this triangle. And now for the past several days, you can see that after the breakout from this triangle, the price and is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $2.90 that was previously working as support, and after the breakdown it was flipped into resistance. We got rejections here and several rejections here as well, and now we have also found another uptrend line resistance here. You can see that we got so many rejections by this uptrend line resistance. We got rejections here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And if I place a support here, then you can see that it had formed another up channel. We had a bounce here and several touch points at this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Saga. And this trade signal, by the way, produced almost 16% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Saga that I shared on 21st of September 2024 with my members. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And by the way, this was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that it was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price, and as expected, dropped down, completed the leg here, entered the buying zone here and here. Then we had a nice reversal, and this was almost 16% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Saga. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this triangle. And after getting squeezed, you can see that when the movement of the price and was quite squeezed inside this triangle, finally we broke it out. And after the breakout from this triangle, we imminently broke out this very strong resistance of $1.75 as well. That was previously breaking at the resistance here, and resistance here. And for example, if the price line will be rejected by this resistance and drops down here, by the way, before hitting this support of $1.75, we will also need to break down the support of this quite a long up channel as well. Then it can test the support here somewhere approximately at $1.75. And in case of breaking down this 175 cents, it can hit the target to the downside for the breakdown from this up channel that will be here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 84 cents. And in case of breaking out this triangle, this channel, not the triangle, the target to the upside for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $6.59. And if the price and reaches there, then it can also break out this very long-term resistance of $4.88 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, it can break as a strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle can be here. That will be somewhere here, approximately at $10.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.